Alright, welcome again to Military Guna TV. I want to say thank you very much for tuning in. This is William Saliba's watch. William Saliba versus Metz. OGC Nice versus Metz. Before I go into the details, please, I would advise you to hit that like button, and if you're new here, just subscribe. Here's the problem. If you don't subscribe, I will find you. If you don't hit the like button, I will find you. And if I find you, you will not like it. I can guarantee you. If you're looking at the screen feeling threatened, oh no, I'm not threatening you. Just be calm. I am not threatening you. Just be calm. So hit that like button and also subscribe. It is for very much peace sake. And guess what? Let peace reign. So let's move into the video itself. This is the William Saliba watch, and you guys know, let me be frank and fair. This wasn't a good game for William Saliba. One of the poorest games I've seen him perform in a long while. Now, the problem is, I knew of the result, so I had to rewatch the game because at the point in time I was watching Arsenal football game. And I was doing a lot of things in regards to Arsenal. Now I've got the opportunity to rewatch this game, and I can give you a fair, just analysis of the game. Now, don't be surprised. Now the team start off with a 4-3-3 formation, and really and truly it is one that I've seen them playing for quite a while now. I've been watching William Saliba for the longest while now, and it is a very good formation that suits him. They play with a high line, and that is one of the things that really affects them. Now, William Saliba play alongside Jean-Claire Todibo just as a centre back pairing. Both have a horrid game, and to be fair, but the thing is, both goals were scored in unfortunate to William Saliba, and his body language was one in which I really did not take really easy. Now, let me get into his player ratings first. His overall player ratings for this game was 6.9. Now, initially, the first goal that they conceded was from a corner. They played it out, and the first time clearance was made, and then the attacker played it in behind the defense, the fullback, and that is where the right winger squared across the ball and to the striker's foot at the front post. Just behind that striker, there was William Saliba. Now, if William Saliba was a bit sharp enough of realizing the danger, he could have intercepted that ball from reaching to the striker, or even applying a bit more pressure onto the striker. But because of that, the striker got an easy tap in, and the game was almost over since then. But the game was fairly even throughout the rest of the game. William Saliba had a lot of tasks because the striker was a very mobile striker. He moves in and out in between both lines between Saliba and Todibo. So both of them, as young players, had horrific day trying to control the striker. Now, the second goal, in conceding the second goal, we see where the left winger went down on the left side, whipped in the ball. The striker stand right in between both Saliba and Todibo, a bit closer, and both of the defenders could have seen the ball coming across, and the striker break the line, went ahead and jumped and hit the ball in the back of the net. The keeper was stunned. The keeper was astonished because he did not expect that both defenders would allow the striker to get such a clear-cut opportunity and put it away. Now, both Saliba and Todibo body reaction was very, very poor. They seemed deflated, and in all respect, it wasn't a good look on both of them. Now let me get into William Saliba's statistics. He played full 90, no goal, no assists. He made 4 clearances, 0 block shots, 1 interception. He made no tackle and was dribble pass not once. Now he attempted 3 ground duels, only winning 1 of those, and that is really low for William Saliba. He made 8 aerial duels and won 7, but the one that scored on them, he did not engage the striker, and that is the reason why the striker got a clear header. Both him nor Todibo engaged the striker. He lost possession 11 times, and as you can see that is increasing now. He made 2 fouls and was fouled 0 times. He had 83 touches, and he ranked 4th in regards to touches in his team and he made 74 passes, completing 64 of those, completing the game with an 86% pass completion. No key passes, no crosses, 6 long balls attempted, completing 4 of those. He made 1 shot and 1 was off target. He made 1 dribble attempt, and yes, he did complete that dribble, breaking the line, moving in between, and also playing the ball to his attacker. So that was William Saliba, and as I said before, this game, his player ratings for this game was 6.9, and it wasn't a good one. Both him and Tobido had a very bad game because both goals conceded was from defensive errors due to both Saliba and Tobido. Lack of concentration, inability to move closer to their striker that they were marking, and hopefully this is a learning curve for William Saliba and he can get better at this. So that has been the William Saliba watch. Thank you very much guys for listening and tuning in. If you wish to see more of these, you can check on my previous videos where I highlighted William Saliba's debut coming right down until this video. So thank you very much for tuning in, and if you're this far into the video, you must have hit that like button and also must have subscribed. Thank you very much again for doing both of them, and this has been Military Huda TV, and guess what, I am out.